30% discount on the link in this video's description. I'm really impressed with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11. It looks very modern and feels high quality. Setting it up is just a breeze. The mapping function is fast and accurate. I was surprised at how well it avoids obstacles. It intelligently navigates around common household items, so I don't have to bother moving chairs or picking up rugs beforehand. A standout feature for me is the retractable roller brush for mopping. It can reach tricky spots that other robot mops I've had couldn't get to. The best part, though, is how the base station collects the dust from the robot's bin. It leaves the internal dustbin perfectly clean. The app is also very comprehensive and easy to use, with plenty of customizable options. The cleaning performance is fantastic. Both the sweeping and mopping functions leave my floors spotless. Overall, I'm very satisfied because it cleans my home without any need for my intervention. 30% discount on the link in this video's description.